Today we are solve the problems on additive cipher, and this is the part of data compression and encryption. As you know, there are the plaintext and ciphertext. So plaintext are the represented as small letters, and ciphertext are represented by capital letters. There are the letters in alphabet. There are the letters from A to Z. A to Z. So starting from letter A to ending with letter Z, the small letters we are saying that plaintext, and capital letters we are saying that there is a ciphertext. So starting letter from A to Z. So A represented by 0 and B 01, 02 at ending with the letter Z is a 25. So there are total 0 to 25. There are total 26 letters. Okay. So first we are solving the problems on additive cipher. So as what is the additive cipher? In short way, we are saying that the additive cipher is a monoalphabetic cipher is the additive cipher. The cipher is sometimes called as a shift cipher and sometimes is a Caesar cipher. But the term additive cipher better reveals its mathematical nature. So to solve the problems, you know the formulas of plaintext and ciphertext, what to do. Okay, so the given plaintext we are going to its cipher. So ciphertext is what? P plus K mod of 26, where P represent plaintext, K represent key, mod 26. We are doing encryption. For going to the decryption, first P is a plaintext is equal to C minus K mod of 26. C is a ciphertext, K is a key, mod 26, and we are getting plaintext. As we first saying that what small letters are plaintext and capital letters are ciphertext. Problem is what? Our use the additive cipher with keys what 15. With keys what 15 to encrypt the message as a hello, HELLO, hello. Okay, we are giving keys of 15. So encrypt the message hello. For encryption we are doing the formula. We are using the formula C is equal to P plus K mod of 26. As we know, the small letters are doing the plaintext. So plaintext is what? Our plaintext, given plaintext is what? HELLO, HELLO, and we have to do the encrypt. We are saying that encrypt. So encryption we are doing, and we are getting the ciphertext. We are getting the ciphertext. For encryption, H represents as 7. As you know, H represents 7, E4, L11, L11 and O14. H represents 7 means what? In the given letters in the alphabetical order, H represents 7. But A starting from 0, A starting from 0 to Z is 25. So total 26 letters. So H represents 7. So 7 plus what is key given is? Key given is 15. So 7 plus 15 mod of 26. So in easy way or tricky way, how to find out this in a minute? So go to your calci in mode, press 4, and type this. What is 7 plus 15? 7 plus 15 is what? Your 22. What? 22 mod of 26. So in calci type this A minus A divided by B into B. Divided by what? B into B. So what is 7 plus 15? It is your 22. So A is 22. 22 press minus 22 divided by 26 multiply by 26. What is that? A minus A divided by B minus B. 22 minus 22 divided by 26 multiply by 26. So we are getting is equal to press, and we are getting 22. So 22 is represented what? Your W. And again for 4 plus 15 is 19 mod 26. So go your calci and press 19. What is that? In minus 19 divided by 26 multiply by 26. So are getting the answer as A minus A divide B into B, 19. So what is 19 represent? 19 is represent your letter T. What is your letter T? So 19 is T. For further, you can solve like this. L represent 11. 11 plus your key is given as 15. Mod 26. Go to your calci. Press 4. DEC 4. And press 11 plus 15 is what? 26. So 26 minus 26 divided by 26 multiplied by 26. We are getting answer as 0 0, and 0 0 represented as what? A. For also A you are getting L, you are getting A, and for O you are getting D. 14 plus 15 is what? 29. Again, one last time I am showing you. Go to your mode, press 4. 4 means what? Base in, and press 14 plus 15. What? This is 14 plus 15. 14 plus 15 is what? 29. So press 29 minus 29 divided by 2, 6 multiplied by 2, 6, and press is equal to, and you are getting answer as a 3. So we are getting as answer 3, and 3 represented what? Letter D. 3 represented what? Letter D. So D. So we are getting the ciphertext as WTAAD. Okay. Hello. It is plaintext, and we are getting the ciphertext as WTAAD. Then the next question is whatever. Use the additive cipher with key figure. For to finding the decryption, use the formula P is equal to C minus K mod of 26, and in calci you are pressing like in DEC 4 mode, A minus A divided by B into B. The given ciphertext is what? WTAAD. And what is W represent? Your 22. Okay, W is your 22. Okay, so 22 minus your given key is 15, mod of 26. So you have to press in calci 22 minus 15 is what? Your 7. So 7 in calci, press in DEC mode, DEC mode. 7 minus 7 divided by 2, 6 multiplied by 2, 6. You are getting answer as what? 7. So 7 is represented what? H. 7 is represented your H. For T you are also doing that. 19 minus 15, what is T represent? 19 minus key 15 mod of 26, you are getting 4, which is E. For A represented what? 0, and key is your 15 mod of 26, you are getting 11. Also A is 11, and D is represented what? D represent 3. So 3 minus key is given as 15 mod 26, and we are getting as a 14. So we are getting as a correct plain text as a HELLO. Next question is we are solving the encrypt the math is fun using additive cipher where key is a 5. Okay, so for encryption, C is equal to P plus K mod of 26, and we are typing the in calci A minus A divided by B into B in DC 4 mode. In calci the mode is 4. So plain text is what? Your math is fun. Okay, and M represent 12 plus key is given as 5 mod of 26. So press calci 12 plus 5. What is 12 plus 5? 17. So again I am showing you what is that. 17 minus 17 divided by 2, 6 multiplied by 2, 6. Press is equal to, we are getting 17 answer. So ciphertext is 17 represent your letter R. So math is fun. You are all the solving the you are getting the ciphertext as RFYMNXKZS. Okay, plain text we are getting the ciphertext. Okay, so
do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get further new videos.